In this video, we're going to take a look at a pair of Nike sneakers, a pair of Nike Dunks that was around $1,000 and has dropped drastically in price now to less than $200. This is a collab Nike Dunk. This is just crazy. Unbelievable what has happened to this pair of Nike Dunks. I want to let you guys know about the giveaway going on for the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the Nike Dunks in this video, and then be sure to give me a follow on Instagram. Shoot me a DM on Instagram with proof that you did everything, and good luck on the University Blue Air Jordan 1 giveaway that ends in 2 weeks. So this right here is your typical Nike Dunk box, but for this sneaker, they gave us the black Nike Dunk box. This sneaker I was able to get early. Guys, I cannot believe the price now on this sneaker. It's absolutely mind-blowing what happened, man. What has happened to the price of the Fragment Nike Dunk? What happened? What in the world happened to the price of this sneaker? Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions. What do you think happened? Why are these now under $200? Go on StockX. The bigger sizes are like $210. The smaller sizes you're getting for like $180, $190. What is going on? What is going on? Retail's $150. $150 retail. And they're selling for less than $200. You take away fees and everything on StockX, you're not getting $200. Guys, what happened? What in the world happened to this Nike Dunk collaboration, Fragment collaboration sneaker? Resale has dropped drastically. Before the release of this sneaker, when people had them before I had them, way before I had them, they were roughly $1,000. I saw absolutely crazy. People were asking like $1,000 for this sneaker, and people were anticipating a lot of hype for this sneaker. Now to get them for like $200, less than 200, isn't that crazy? I'm mind blown. I'm speechless at this point on the price of this sneaker. I do want to say that I think it is a clean looking sneaker. I did think about honestly keeping them. I'm still considering it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Should I keep them now? Should I keep them in the collection? Or should I just flip them? Get maybe go get 200 for them and keep it moving? Or should I go ahead and keep them in the collection? I did pay retail, $150. I did get them early. I was trying to sell them as the price was dropping. But to be honest, there wasn't a lot of people interested in the sneaker. A lot of people were not really interested in this shoe like you would normally think, and I think that's why prices dropped. It is a Nike Dunk high. We all wish it was a low. I don't know, man. What happened? And this purple, I guess people aren't crazy about this wine color. It is wine. That's the official colorway of the purple, so I guess people are not a fan of that. I'm not sure. I think it's a clean Nike Dunk overall. Definitely a slept on sneaker. Guys, under 200. We let these go for under $200 now, when they were, like I said, $1,800. I saw them at $5. When I got them in hand, they were like $450 on StockX, but no one buying them, right? No one was really buying them like that on StockX. A few pairs here and there, but that was it. What a sneaker. I'm mind blown. I can't believe the price. I can't believe the price on a Fragment sneaker, a Fragment shoe during the Nike Dunk hype and craze right now going on. Isn't that crazy when you really think about it? I think this one will go down in the books, and definitely I see them only go up in price from this point forward. I mean, they can drop maybe a few dollars more, and then eventually they will go up in price. They have to. There's no way this can stay for that long under 200 like that. What are we doing? This was a limited sneaker, Fragment collaboration on a Nike Dunk high. We all wish it was a low. I'm sure a lot of us wish it was a low, but it's still a Nike Dunk at the end of the day. The leather quality is decent. I guess it's okay. It reminds me, I guess, of some normal Nike Dunks, which I do have a pair right here. Let's take a look. I will do another video talking about these. as well. Stay tuned on the channel for another video talking about these Nike Dunks if you've never seen these on the channel. I will say that the leather on the Fragment is a little thicker. Definitely a little bit thicker cut. But as far as softness, it's about the same. They're both a little soft, but I wouldn't say anything crazy leather-wise on the Fragment. But overall, I guess people just don't care for this sneaker like that, man. I don't know. How do you feel about this Fragment Dunk? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to also hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys enter in the Air Jordan 1 University Blue giveaway. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a follow on Instagram. DM me proof that you did everything. The fact that you can purchase this sneaker for under $200 and retails $150 plus tax and shipping, it's crazy, guys. That's not much money over retail, tax, shipping. It's a few dollars more and you have yourself a really nice hype collab Nike Dunk. What are we doing, sneakerheads? What are we doing? Resellers, what are you guys doing? You know, resellers, what's going on? What are you doing letting this sneaker go to under $200? It doesn't make sense to me why this sneaker is so low at this price point. If you're a fan of this sneaker, I'm a fan of it. I think this is a dope, good thing. If you want to rock them, now's the time. Go ahead and cop, enjoy them, rock them. This is a dope shoe. I'm just shocked. I'm really mind blown on this price. This is one sneaker I think people are sleeping on big time. This sneaker should be, in my opinion, easily a $400 to $500 Nike Dunk. The fact that it's not, to me, is crazy. And at the end of the day, if you're a fan of the shoe and want to rock it, it's a good thing. Go ahead, pick yourself up this clean, fire, straight fire Nike Dunk. This is a clean one, guys. This is definitely a fire, straight fire Nike Dunk sneaker. This is a dope shoe in my opinion. Let me know. Should I keep them? Should I sell them? What would you do at this point? Let me know, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Be sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I do love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. On the channel soon, I'm going to be dropping some stickers for sale. And when you purchase a sticker, you'll have a chance at winning some really hype sneakers. The big prize going to be Travis Scott Jordan 1s. But we're going to have other winners like University Blues, Mochas. I'm going to do Hyper Royals. I'm also going to do Fire Red 4s. Some Nike Dunks. We got a bunch of shoes I'm going to be giving away to you guys. But all you guys have to do is purchase a sticker. Sticker will be $9.99. More details very soon. Be sure to stay tuned. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.